Hello friends, I am going to discuss illustration number 8 of the batch costing. These are good questions. Please read the questions here. Illustration number 8. A customer has ordering 90,000 special design metal columns at the rate of 18,000 per order during the past year. The production cost comprises material production cost, raw material rupees 120, direct labor rupees 60, overhead this is rupees 20, total rupees 200, fixed overhead. If the cost rupees 1500 setup in the given question, this is your A, annual economic batch annual demand is saying 90,000. This is your annual demand, and it cost rupees 1500 setup to run 18,000 column, and inventory carrying cost is 15%. Since the setup cost is what? Setup cost per batch is given. Setup cost per batch is given rupees 1500. Setup cost per batch is given 1500. Inventory carrying cost is 15%. Since the customer may buy at least 5,000 column this year, the company would like to avoid making 5 different production runs. Find the most economic production runs. What is the most economic production and what is the batch size at which setup cost and carrying cost will be minimum? Look at please. Whenever percentage cost is given on carrying, then you will have to calculate carrying cost on the basis of production cost. In the exactly the same like material cost, the production cost is given 15%. Here your carrying cost is given 15% of what? This is a production cost per unit. Production cost per unit rupees 200. That is the 15%. In this case this will be 15%. Carrying cost is calculated 15% of rupees 200. 15% of rupees 200 will be 200 into 0.15. This is rupees 30. Now we can calculate by using annual demand, setup cost and carrying cost. Economic batch quantity can you calculate. Most economic production run will be most economical production run. Calculation of most economic production run. This is also set to EBQ root under 2A S C, root under 2 90,000 1500 whole divided by that is rupees 30. After calculating this you will get 2 into 90,000 into 1500 divide 30. This will come 9 this 9 for 3, 20 for 10, 20 for 10, 20 for 10. This will be the units. Okay. Okay, thank you class. Please like, subscribe and share my videos.